This is Jeff Walker. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from CAA. Wanted to let you know about something we've been working on recently. We've been working on our traffic safety culture research over the last 6 months or so, learning a lot about different attitudes and behaviors that Canadians are exhibiting in regard to their driving, their cycling, their transit, all kinds of different things. One of the most interesting things we've learned in this research most recently is we've learned a little bit about drinking and driving. Specifically, we've learned a little bit about social acceptability of drinking and driving versus behavior of drinking and driving. Very interestingly, what we've found is that over 98% of Canadians have told us that drinking and driving is unacceptable, both to them as well as to society. In other words, it's turned into something that's not unlike what's happened with seatbelts. Over time, we've moved to a place to understand that drinking and driving is socially unacceptable. However, we have one problem, and that is we still have a quarter of Canadians that drink and drive when they are at or they believe they are at or above the line every year. That's a lot of Canadians, that's a lot of drinking and driving, and it's a serious problem. So even though we've got to a place where this is socially unacceptable, we're still in a place where Canadians are making the wrong choice some days. We at CAA are really hoping that this Christmas season that Canadians will make the right choices both for them and their friends, making sure that they take a cab, get a ride, walk home, bike home if it's not too cold, whatever it takes to avoid drinking and driving. Thank you so much for tuning in. In 2011, we've got all kinds of new data, studies, interesting things to talk about, so we hope you'll come back to find out more. I want you to stay safe and have a great holiday season.